too much snow. All right, today I'm gonna try to do the glitch effect, but like with a tag. So not necessarily like big block letters like you may see here or here, but like I'm gonna see if you can do it with a tag and just using some tape. So let's try it out. Here's the magic part. So I'm using the tape that covered it up before, and if I shift it, I know where the lines should line up for the glitch effect, where it's shifted over a couple pixels. Well, that's it for today. I actually think it turned out really well, but I'm gonna have to try some more of this tape action. But hey, I'll see you around next time. At least I got to do some painting in the snow. Yeah, guys, thanks for coming. Have a good, safe winter. I'm ready to paint in some warmer weather. All right, guys, stay warm.